Hello everyone, 1,000 followers on Instagram. Thanks to every person that follows me. I did it all organic, no paid anything. In this video, I'm gonna share with you what I've been doing with my social media since I started the Ben Your Agent profile. Also, give you a few tips I've learned from my social media training this week. Welcome back. I'm Ben Your Agent with Aguilar Realty Group, brokered by EXP Realty. I'm so grateful and excited to hit the 1,000 follower mark in less than 2 years. Let me share with you what I did. I started my IG profile in November 9, 2020. Can you believe it? One day after my birthday. I really just tried everything from posting great quality photos of homes I saw and putting info in the description to contact me. Also pre-created things, I posted those, and making reels and going on IG live, and lastly stories. I am consistent. At least every day or a few days I was posting something. Fast forward. After talking to mentors, attending social media training classes like the one I did yesterday, you know what I found out? It was all about branding. Branding is so big in social media, and that's why businesses and entrepreneurs use it, and people just want to brand themselves, right? So I began making my profile more with my logo and brand color, which I hope you see it, is the blue and the gold, like Rams colors. With a total of 1,340 posts and 1,045 followers to date, I found out one thing, what really gets viewers and followers. You know what it is? That one thing is reels that your audience likes to see. So I'm going to share with you, there are 3 big things my audience likes to see. You have to find out what your audience, your people like. And my 3 things are: number 1, my personal life. A lot of you guys have been seeing, you know, my life, and also Bailey, and I hope, you know, those are some things that are near and dear to my heart, and you guys like to see it, so I'm grateful to and excited to share with you guys. The second thing I've noticed that people are liking to see on my reels are luxury properties. In the last few months, 2 months now, I've been able to go and see luxury multi-million-dollar homes, and those are getting over 3,000 views plus, and over 100 likes, like the whole post. So I love that. And if you've been following my journey, some of the things that you guys been like seeing too is new construction, right? New model homes, things like that. So that's been a big, huge plus that my audience likes. And last but not least are my accomplishment. People want to see, how are you as a agent, realtor, coach, or whatever you do business-wise. They want to see accomplishment. And my audience been so kind to me. My followers been so kind to me with the accomplishments I like to share with them, and they're so nice and hit the like buttons and things like that. So it's been really, really great. And my YouTube is also now 449 subscribers. Thanks to all of you watching and following my journey here on YouTube. I need your help to subscribe if you haven't yet. If you're new to the channel, like and share this video to someone who you think would like this video too. Again, I would like to say thank you to all my IG followers. Yahweh be praised, and happy July 4th. Thank you so much. It's been a joy sharing my life with you guys. Take care.